നമസ്കാരം. എല്ലാവർക്കും ക്രാക്ക് കേരള എക്സാംസ് എന്ന ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. അപ്പോൾ 2019 കറണ്ട് അഫയേഴ്സ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ 2019 കറണ്ട് അഫയേഴ്സ് നമുക്ക് വളരെ പെട്ടെന്നൊന്ന് നോക്കിപ്പോവാം. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുവരെയും അൺഅക്കാഡമിയുടെ സബ്സ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ എടുത്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ എടുക്കുക. സബ്സ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ എടുത്തു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരുപാട് ബെനിഫിറ്റ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. ഡെയിലി ലൈവ് ക്ലാസ്സസ് ഉണ്ട്. വളരെ സ്ട്രക്ചേർഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കോഴ്സാണ് അൺഅക്കാഡമി ഓഫർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സിലബസ് ബേസ് സ്ട്രക്ചർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള കോഴ്സാണ്. ലൈവ് ടെസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് ക്വിസസ് ഉണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ഒരിക്കൽ സബ്സ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അൺലിമിറ്റഡ് ആക്സസ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ സബ്സ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഗ്രേഷ്മ എന്നുള്ള റെഫറൽ കോഡ് കൊടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 10% ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് കിട്ടും. സോ 2019 പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട കറണ്ട് അഫയേഴ്സ് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. യൂണിയൻ ബഡ്ജറ്റ് 2019. Finance Minister Piyush Goyal presented the Union Budget 2019-20 on February 1st, 2019. It will be the last budget of the Modi government before the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. The Union government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be presenting interim budget 2019-20 on February 1st, 2019. The last budget of NDA government before 2019 Lok Sabha elections. India improves its ranking on Corruption Perceptions Index 2018, moves to 78th position. India improved its ranking on the 2018 Corruption Perception Index by 3 points and moved to 78th position with a score of 41. India ranked at 81st place on the Corruption Perception Index 2017. In the list of 180 countries, China and Pakistan lagged far behind India at 87th and 117th position respectively. Uttar Pradesh Cabinet approves construction of Ganga Expressway to connect Prayagraj with Western UP. India signs agreement with the OECD for participation in PISA 2021. Supreme Court forms Constitution Bench to hear plea challenging Hindu prayers in Kendriya Vidyalayas. Train 18 named as Vande Bharat Express set to run between Delhi and Varanasi at speed of 160 km per hour. Bharat Ratna 2019 Pranab Mukherjee, Nanaji Deshmukh, Bhupen Hazarika conferred with the highest civilian honor. Padma Awards 2019 announced Gautam Gambhir, Prabhu Deva, late Kader Khan among awards. CBI dispute, Alok Verma resigns after PM Modi-led panel removed him as CBI chief. Kumbh Mela 2019, world's largest religious and cultural human congregation, begins in UP. 10% reservation for economically weak in general category comes into force. Indian Railways to recruit 2.30 lakh employees in 2 years. First major recruitment with a 10% reservation for economically weak section. 15th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. India, Mauritius agree upon partnership in various sectors. Virat Kohli named ICC Test ODI player and cricketer of the year 2018. PM Narendra Modi conferred with the first ever Philip Kotler Presidential Award. Gujarat becomes first state to implement 10% quota for economically weaker section in general category. ISRO launches Kalamsat Microsat R satellites on PSLV C-44 rocket. Veteran Bollywood actor writer Kader Khan passes away. Justice T.B.N. Radhakrishnan sworn in as first Chief Justice of Telangana High Court. Cabinet approves merger of Vijaya Bank, Dena Bank and Bank of Baroda, first ever three-way merger in Indian banking. Bill to make marital rape a crime introduced in Lok Sabha. Bangladesh elections 2018, Sheikh Hasina wins third consecutive term as Prime Minister. Smriti Mandhana named ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year. India's left-handed opener Smriti Mandhana has won the Rachel Kehoe Flynn Award for the ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year. Lok Sabha passes Citizenship Amendment Bill. The Lok Sabha on January 8, 2019 passed the Citizenship Amendment Bill, which seeks to amend the Citizenship Act 1955 to make illegal migrants who are Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Parsis and Christians from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan eligible for citizenship. The bill has now been tabled in the Rajya Sabha. Under the 1955 Act, one of the requirements of the citizenship by naturalization is that the applicant must have resided in India during the last 12 months and 11 of the previous 14 years. The bill relaxes this 11-year requirement to 6 years for persons belonging to all the 6 religions from the 3 countries. Reserve Bank of India forms Nandan Nilekani-led committee to boost digital payments. Vinesh Phogat becomes first Indian athlete to be nominated in Laurie's World Comeback of the Year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2019. ISRO launches the Unnati program. National Space Agency, the Indian Space Research Organization, on January 17, 2019, launched the Unnati Unispace Nano Satellite Assembly and Training by ISRO program at the UR Rao Satellite Center, Bangalore. Brexit. UK Parliament rejects Brexit deal. Theresa May wins no confidence vote. India strikes back. IAF jets destroy Jaish terror camps across Europe. Geneva Convention treatment and releases of prisoners of war. The Union Ministry of External Affairs has confirmed that during an aerial engagement with the Pakistani fighter jets on February 27, 2019, India lost one of its MiG-21 aircraft. The fighter jet was shot down in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, and its pilot, an Indian Air Force Wing commander, was taken into custody by Pakistan. India withdraws Most Favored Nation status accorded to Pakistan. Parliament passes Personal Laws Amendment Bill 2019. The Parliament on February 13, 2019 passed the Personal Laws Amendment Bill 2018 that seeks to remove leprosy as a ground for divorce. The bill was passed after Upper House of the Parliament, Rajya Sabha, approved it without discussion. The lower house of the Parliament, Lok Sabha, had passed the bill on January 7, 2019. Leprosy is being removed as a ground for divorce, as it is now curable disease as against the earlier notion of it being incurable. PM Narendra Modi launches Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana from Gorakhpur, UP. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi on February 24, 2019 launched the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Man Dhan Yojana launched. Everything you need to know. The Union Ministry of Labour and Employment on February 15, 2019 launched the Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Man Dhan Yojana PMSYM, a mega pension scheme for unorganized sector. The scheme was announced in the interim budget 2019. Vande Bharat Express. PM Modi launches India's first semi-high-speed train. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on February 15, 2019 flagged off India's first semi-high-speed train Vande Bharat Express on New Delhi Kanpur Allahabad Varanasi route from the New Delhi railway station. PM Narendra Modi receives Seoul Peace Prize for 2018. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on February 22, 2019 received the prestigious Seoul Peace Prize 2018 for his contribution into international corruption and fostering global economic growth. The committee credited him for his efforts in promoting global peace and harmony through inclusive economic growth and improving quality of life. Bharat Ratna 2019 Pranab Mukherjee, Nanaji Deshmukh, Bhupen Hazarika conferred with the highest civilian honor. Padma Award 2019 announced Gautam Gambhir, Prabhu Deva, late Kader Khan among awards. Kusum Yojana CCEA approves Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Uttan Mahabhiyan scheme for farmers' welfare. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on February 19, 2019, approved the launch of Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Uttan Mahabhiyan with the objective of providing financial and water security to farmers. Indus Waters Treaty between India and Pakistan, present status of development in India. Union Minister of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation Nitin Gadkari on February 21, 2019 announced the government's decision to stop the flow of river water to Pakistan and divert water from eastern rivers to Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab. The decision came as a response to the devastating terror attack in Pulwama, Jammu and Kashmir that killed over 44 Indian paramilitary police officers. India constructed Bakra Dam on Satluj, Pong and Pando Dam on Bias and Tain on Ravi utilized the waters of eastern rivers which have been allocated to India for exclusive use. Supreme Court directs NCM to decide on redefining minority. The Supreme Court on February 11, 2019 directed the National Commission for Minorities to take decision with 3 months on a representation seeking guidelines to redefine the term minority. Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman's India's visit. The Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, who is also the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Defense of Saudi Arabia, visited India on February 19 and 20, 2019. The Prime Minister and His Royal Highness condemned in the recent Pulwama terror attack on Indian security forces on February 14, 2019. Government clears proposal to encourage investments in startups, hikes tax exemption cap. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry and Civil Aviation Suresh Prabhu on February 19, 2019 cleared proposal to encourage investments in startups aiming in simplifying the process of exemption for startups from the angel tax under the Section 56(2) of Income Tax Act 1961. Sanath Jayasuriya banned from cricket for 2 years. Former Sri Lankan cricket captain Sanath Jayasuriya has been banned from cricket for a period of 2 years. The information was shared by the International Cricket Council through a statement on February 26, 2019. Chris Gayle announces retirement from one-day internationals. Veteran West Indies batsman Chris Gayle has announced that he will retire from one-day internationals after this year's World Cup in England and Wales. The announcement was made by West Indies Cricket on February 17, 2019. Egypt's President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi elected as new chair of African Union. Union government launches 3 women's safety initiatives. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh along with the Women and Child Development Minister Maneka Gandhi jointly launched 3 significant initiatives to promote the safety of women in their living spaces, working spaces and public sectors on February 18, 2019 at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. India raises customs duty on all goods imported from Pakistan. India on February 16, 2019 increased customs duty on all goods originating from or imported from Pakistan to 200% with immediate effect. It is not very clear whether this will affect the third country trade which is going on between the two countries through places such as Dubai and UAE and Singapore. National Science Day 2019 observed. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar praise conferred. The National Science Day 2019 was observed across India on February 20, 2019 to mark the discovery of the Raman effect in Indian physicist Chandrasekhara Venkataraman, that is C.V. Raman. India replaces Japan to be world's second largest steel producer. India has replaced Japan as the world's second largest steel producing country, only behind China, which is the largest producer of crude steel, accounting for more than 51% of production as per the latest report by World Steel Association. So, നമ്മൾ ഏകദേശം മാർച്ച് വരെയുള്ള കറണ്ട് അഫയേഴ്സ് നോക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞു. സോ ഡ്യൂ ടു സം ഇഷ്യൂസ് നമ്മൾ മാർച്ചിന് ശേഷമുള്ളത് അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നോക്കാം. സോ മാർച്ച് വരെയുള്ള നിങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കുക. നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിന് പഠിക്കാം. സോ അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിന് കാണുന്നവരേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം.